To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.